Let's get straight to it. Number 10. The drone attacking hummingbirds. You think hummingbirds are cute. They are not. In 2022, residents of a small town in California started reporting that hummingbirds were dive-bombing their delivery drones. Not just chirping at them, but full-on kamikaze attacks. The birds would wait for the drones to hover, then shoot straight at them like feathered missiles. The drones would wobble, crash, or retreat. Researchers placed cameras and found that the hummingbirds were specifically targeting drones that were bright red or orange, colors that match flowers they guard. They weren't just being territorial, they were actively defending their airspace. The weird part, they started doing it even when no flowers were around. It seemed almost like a game. One researcher described it as aerial warfare with a 4-inch bird. The hummingbirds have no natural predators in the area. They are fearless, and they are winning. Number 9. The whale bubble net upgrades. Humpback whales use bubble nets to trap krill. They blow a ring of bubbles, the krill get confused, and the whales swim up through the middle with their mouths open. It's a classic strategy. But in 2023, marine biologists noticed something new. Whales in the Antarctic were using bubble nets that spiraled upwards instead of rising horizontally. They'd blow bubbles in a tight helix, forcing the krill into a vertical column, then gulp them down like a spinning smoothie. This is a completely new technique. What's more, it was only observed in one pod, suggesting they invented it and taught it to each other. The older whales watched, the younger ones practiced. Within months, the entire pod was using the new method. Scientists have no idea why they changed. The old method worked perfectly. Some suggest it's because krill are getting smarter, or the water chemistry is changing. But the whales didn't just adapt, they innovated. And we have no idea what they'll think of next. Number 8. The walking fish that stalks birds. In 2021, researchers in southwest France documented a species of catfish that leaves the water to hunt. Not just flop around, but actually lunge. They use their fins to push themselves across muddy banks, sometimes for over a meter, in search of prey. The odd part, they are hunting pigeons. The catfish will emerge from the water at dusk, creep up on roosting birds, and drag them into the water by their legs. It's like a horror movie for pigeons. We've known about amphibious fish, but this is the first recorded case of one actively hunting warm-blooded prey on land. The leading theory is that they've learned to exploit a food source that no other aquatic predator can reach. But why pigeons? Why not insects or worms? No one knows. We now have a fish that evolved a terrestrial hunting strategy in real time, and we didn't notice until someone filmed it on their iPhone. Number 7. The starfish that drops its own arm. Starfish are strange. They can everett their stomachs out of their mouths to digest prey externally. That's already weird. But some species take it further. When threatened, they can deliberately detach one of their arms. The arm keeps wiggling, distracting the predator while the starfish escapes. The starfish grows a new arm over several months. It's like throwing a decoy at a mugger to make a run for it. Researchers are baffled. They don't know how the starfish coordinates this self-amputation or how it manages to regrow a complete arm with nerves and tube feet. It's essentially sacrificing a limb just to get away. Number 6. The bear that mastered car doors. Bears break into cars. That's common knowledge. But in 2023, a black bear in Colorado took it to the next level. It didn't just smash a window. It opened the car door using the handle. Not by accident, but deliberately, using its claws to grip and pull. The security footage shows the bear trying multiple doors until it found one that opened, then climbing in and calmly eating a bag of chips. It didn't panic. It didn't trash the interior. It just opened the door like a human, ate the chips, and left. Wildlife officials were called, but the bear couldn't be relocated because it kept coming back. They tried electric shocks, noise deterrents, and even fake rattlesnakes. The bear ignored them all. It had learned that car handles equal food. The bear has now been seen doing this in 3 separate parking lots. We have a bear that understands human mechanics and is using them to raid our snacks. Number 5. The bees building spiral honeycombs. Stingless bees build hexagonal honeycombs. It's one of the most efficient shapes in nature. It's the bee's trademark. But in 2022, a team in Brazil discovered a colony building perfectly symmetrical spirals instead of hexagons. The combs spiraled upward, layer after layer, like a nautilus shell. The honey was still stored, the larvae were fine, but the architecture was completely different. The scientists checked for mutations, environmental toxins, or unusual stress. Nothing. The bees were just building spirals. There's no survival advantage to a spiral, it's less space efficient. Researchers suggested it was a builder's error that became a cultural tradition, but they can't fully explain why the entire colony adopted it or why the spiral didn't collapse under its own weight. The queen was replaced, and the new colony continued the spiral pattern. It was cultural, not genetic. A society of bees decided to change their blueprints for no reason. Number 4. The archerfish that learned to recognize faces. Archerfish are known for shooting jets of water at insects above the surface. They can hit a bug from a meter away. But in laboratory experiments, researchers trained archerfish to spit at images of human faces on computer screens. The fish could pick out a familiar face from a lineup with surprising accuracy. This is not a natural behavior. Archerfish have no evolutionary reason to recognize human faces. Scientists are still trying to understand how a fish with such a simple brain can do something that usually requires a mammalian visual cortex. It's a reminder that we still don't fully understand what's going on inside a fish's head. Number 3. The crow that made a hook out of wire. Crows are smart, but this one was a genius. In a famous experiment, researchers watched a New Caledonian crow pick up a straight piece of wire, bend it into a hook, and use it to pull a piece of meat out of a narrow tube that was too deep for its beak to reach. That's not tool use, that's tool manufacture. But here's what nobody can figure out. The crow didn't just bend the metal, it succeeded on the first try. It had never seen that tube before. It didn't practice. It just looked at the problem, made a tool, and solved it. That's not instinct, that's engineering. The researchers are now convinced that crows understand the concept of cause and effect in ways we haven't fully grasped. Number 2. The alligator that survived frozen solid, almost. In 2022, a team in North Carolina found an alligator lying on the bottom of a frozen pond. Its head was locked in ice. It had barely detectable heartbeat and no breathing. It was in a state called brumation. They assumed it was dead. 3 days later, the ice thawed, and the alligator swam away. This is known in reptiles, but what made this case strange was the duration. Normally, alligators can only survive about 24 hours in freezing conditions. This one survived 72 hours in icy water. When scientists finally caught it for a checkup, they found it had slowed its heart rate to almost nothing, conserving energy. They have no idea how it survived the cellular damage that should have occurred. The alligator basically gave itself a medically precise hibernation that humans can't replicate. Number 1. The zombie ant fungus. There's a fungus called Ophiocordyceps that infects ants. It doesn't kill them immediately. Instead, it takes over their brains. The fungus forces the ant to climb up a plant stem, clamp its jaws onto a leaf, and die in the perfect position for the fungus to grow a stalk out of its head and release spores onto the colony below. The ant is a puppet. Its body is a vehicle for the fungus to reproduce. We know parasites do this, but never with this level of precision. It's a biological zombie hack. The ant is a bicycle and the fungus is the rider, steering it toward death. That's it for this video. More on the way. Subscribe to catch them.